If your skin is aging with fine lines forming and it's looking less radiant than you would like, but you're also prone to breakout, this active clear and brighten kit created by Dermalogica is the answer. It is incredibly common to see breakouts occurring whilst the aging process rolls along. So 3 key products, your daily Microfoliant, your Age Bright Clearing Serum and your Age Bright Spot Fader are combined to manage both the aging as well as the breakout. So first step, your daily Microfoliant. Now it can be used each day to help remove those dead and dull skin cells because it has a rice-based enzyme and that's combined with a botanical brightening complex. So it leaves the skin smooth and bright, and that's always the case with exfoliation, as well as the fact that whichever other product you use afterwards absorbs really, really well and probably works a lot more effectively than if it's just sitting on the top of the skin. All you do is add a small amount onto the skin, add water to it and massage it over the skin, and then when you rinse it off, you see the difference. Next, you would apply the Age Bright Clearing Serum, and this is an active serum that works in 2 different ways. Firstly, using salicylic acid to clear the skin and help reduce any of the breakouts that you have. And then the serum also helps to reduce the visible signs of aging. With antioxidants and hydrating ingredients, with the Dermalogica Age Bright Complex, your skin will balance, it will brighten and look smooth and hydrated. Very, very easy to use. As with serums, a couple of drops into the hand, massage them together and then press it into the skin. And then you will use your Age Bright Spot Fader. You use it twice a day and use it directly onto active breakouts. And whilst it helps to balance out the breakout and the skin's microbiome, it can also help to prevent the marks and the pigmentation that can happen from those inflammations. So to overcome those adult breakouts and still have an anti-aging effect on the skin, get your active clear and brighten kit at skinmart.com.au.